These following clips, we're going to talk about removal and replacement of the vehicle's fuel filter. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remount your vehicle's fuel filter. Depending upon the location and a particular make and model, the mounting style is going to differ pretty widely. It's going to have some nuts and bolts that hold it together. Just for example, we're going to show you on this particular vehicle. I have my fuel filter down approximately where it should go. It has some mounting studs that it's going to align on and slide down and seat on top of. I have two 10mm nuts. I'm going to start one. And before I tighten it down, I'm going to start the other one. It's always a good idea to start all of your bolts or nuts at the same time and then proceed with your tightening sequence. Just for the sake of camera, we have already attached the bottom fuel line, the inlet side. It's identical to the top side, and I'll go over the proper mounting procedure for that line. Okay, we have our fuel filter mounted and tightened down. Go ahead and give it a wiggle. Make sure nothing's rattling and nothing's going to rub a hole in the canister.